So I'm up here by these Native American ruins and caves, and this hummingbird just came right up to me and started talking to me. And then I'm like, I gotta get this on video, and then it just disappeared. Where'd that hummingbird go, Diesel? Anyway, I just found this really cool piece of pottery. Don't take anything but video and pictures, I always say. It is so peaceful up here to the point where I feel like I'm like amongst the ancestors that lived here. Up there is a huge pueblo, and on that side is like tons of caves. Oh, there's the hummingbird. Just flew by. Come back, little messenger. One of the messages I got when I was just meditating up there was, what was it? Oh my gosh, I gotta remember this stuff. It was something about like being in nature. Oh, it was about alcohol. Alcohol, it has people that drink are because they're trying to feel that connection to source, that connectedness, that feeling of confidence and all the things, that we're born with before they're programmed out of us. And I got so clearly that we can get that same feeling by just being in nature. We don't have to drink alcohol. We can just be in nature and get that same connected feeling. But that being in nature is the real way to do it. And alcohol is just temporary, but it has really bad side effects. It actually keeps you more disconnected, ultimately. It may make you feel connected for a short while, but ultimately it keeps your vibration low and disconnects you. But being in nature will connect you. And definitely touching the earth, taking your shoes off and going barefooted if you can. When I set up there, I just put my hands on the ground, touch the earth that way, and it's a direct connection. And don't listen to everything you hear on social media, especially if it sounds like true. Oh my gosh, that makes sense. Trust what's in your own heart. And I watch social media and stuff because I want to kind of stay up with everything, but I have really good discernment. Ultimately, I'd love to get off of it completely. It's like a drug. But I run 3 businesses. Well, 4 businesses. I will be running a 4th business. I have RebeccaSage.com, which is my soul retrieval work and training. I have FindYourSage.com, which is a directory, an online directory for holistic practitioners. And then I have Sage Country Boutique, which is a women's clothing store. And then the other one is Rebecca's Pantry, which I don't have yet, which is going to be my pickling and my chicken jerky business. But I can't wait to start doing that and selling it. I did get my certificate from the health department through Coconino County, so I can legally sell my pickles, my pickle foods, and my chicken jerky directly to the public. I don't have what I need yet to sell it third party, which means like at a grocery store or something. In that case, all I have to do is make everything in a commercial kitchen, which I will do someday. Where are you going, dog? Come here. Wow. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I absolutely miss coming up here. I grew up literally across the street here in Camp Verde. And I used to come up here all the time when I needed to connect. And it worked every time. And I just miss it. So something brought me up here today. And maybe it was just to receive that message. Look at this cool portal right here. Come here, Diesel. He's loving it. He needed to get out. We're going to walk through this portal. So this is a lot of clay right here. This is how part of what the people here would use to make the pottery. And all out here you can find these pottery shards of the old clay pots that they used to carry their food and water and things. Just could stay here if I didn't have chores. Here's a cool piece of black pottery. Look at that one. Well, it's black on the inside and red on the outside. It's neat. Just come up here and sit with the ancestors, the relatives, elders. What I mean by relatives is, you know, the stone people, the tree people, the animals. We're all related. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.